how you can double your income, double your revenue for your business. Are you someone really want to enjoy the money that you are making and spend more time with your family? And this video will be of great help to you, because in this Hey, are you a small and medium business owner and you would like to double your business in this financial year? Are you someone really want to enjoy the money that you are making and spend more time with your family? Then this video will be of great help to you, because in this video, I'm going to share with you one amazing secret on how you can double your income, double your revenue for your business. My name is Murli Sundaram, popularly known as the Happiness Coach. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can press the like button, the subscribe button, and also the bell icon notification, there in which you will always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Every day, I speak with 50 to 100 small and medium business owners, and I help them continuously to become successful. But I see one thing common with all my friends who are doing small and medium businesses. They all want to grow their business. Yes, none of them said they want to degrow. They all want to grow. And I asked the question, how many percentage you would like to grow? How much percentage you would like to grow? Some of them say 100%, 200%, 300%. Some of them think about 70%, 30%, 20%. But everyone wants to grow their business. But they all face one important challenge, which they don't consider when they are thinking of how to double their business. What is one thing that differentiates between an extraordinary entrepreneur and an ordinary entrepreneur is their ability to think and not doing. Most of the small and medium business owners, we are all stuck in doing the business and not thinking the business. It's a very popular saying that we are not on the business, we are in the business. We all want to grow. Yes, we all want to grow our business. We want to double our business revenues. We want to double our profits. We want to scale up our business. But the one challenge most of the time in small and medium business owners is the business owners themselves behaving as the bottleneck, the stumbling block for the growth of our business. The reason is because we started a business out of passion. Okay, probably we got bored with our corporate job and we wanted to start our business, and we started off with passion, but then slowly we ignored the most important philosophy of business. What's the important philosophy of business? A business is created to sell, not to keep. So any business that is being successfully running across the whole globe, if you look very closely, they are all businesses designed, thereby the business owners set a system, thereby they can exit the business anytime. So one question that we all need to ask every day is, when can I quit the business? When I say quit the business, that means I'm not asking you to close the business. Quit the business means the business runs automatically and I am not doing the business, but the business generates profits. I can even spend time with my family, maybe for 1 month for a vacation, but still my business should be running. Would you be interested to live a life like that, and you run a business like that, that even if you're not there, the business still keeps running? So for that to happen, we need to bring one small shift in our mindset, that we should not be doing the business, we should be thinking the business. So if you want to double your business this year, the only way you can double is by thinking for the doubling of the business, not by doing the business. 90% of the small and medium business owners, they are business operators and we are not business owners. That means right from morning to evening, I will only do the sales and marketing, I will speak to the clients, I will send the proposal, probably I will also went and do the delivery of my goods and services, and also send the invoice, follow for the payment, give back to all the vendors, and if anything is pending in the bank account, we take salary. That's the status of many small and medium business owners today in the world. So why? Because they want to do everything on their own. But remember, successful businesses are not built by a solo person. We need a team of people. So if you want to double your business this year, there is only one thing we all need to do. We just have to delegate the doing of our business to our team members, and our job as the business owners is to only think, how can I double? How can I grow my business? What should I do to grow? We should not be doing it, we should be thinking it. It's a very simple understanding. Okay, if you have built a house or an office complex, tell me who will make more money, the architect who thinks and designs the outlay, or the mason who works and puts all the bricks over there? No, the architect, right? So the thinker makes more money than the doer. But we all start our life as a doer, understand the nuances, and slowly we have to upgrade to the next level of thinking. So, for this to happen, if you really want to grow your business, double your business, you need to first develop the mindset that I have to run my business even in my absence. That's a very, very important mindset that we need to develop. That you need to say that, oh, this year I'm going to go for a 1 month vacation. Can I still run my business without me inside the office, without me talking to my customers? That one mindset that we all need to do that. So, for that to happen, we need to create a system in our business where in which every team members, our vendors, our clients, everyone understands the system with which our business is operating. So our job as business owners is to think that system and teach and coach our team members so that they can follow the system. And our job as business owners is to focus on only one department called marketing. We just have to continuously do the marketing, build brand awareness, bring more leads for our business, and our team members must be closing the sale. So for that to happen, you need to start delegating also. So, when I realized this particular way of, because I also started the life as a solopreneur, as a self-employed professional, I ended up doing everything. But later I realized that this is not the way to scale up a business. So when I had, so I then I realized that the only way I can scale up my business is by having a team members who can actually do the business. So what I did is very simple. I took a post-it notes, okay, and I wrote down what are the various tasks I am doing every single day. And for 1 week, I observed each and every task I was doing, whether making a phone call, sending a WhatsApp message, typing a proposal, email, talking to a customer, or anything. Okay, meeting a stranger, going to a networking event. I wrote everything in a post-it notes for 1 week, and I pasted the post-its on my wall, and I started studying a pattern. Okay, what kind of a pattern that post-it notes was giving, and I figured out more than 90% of the task I myself was doing. So the only way I can make more money is to free my time so that I can think how to double my business. When we are busy doing, we don't have time for thinking. Yes or no? So then I started I started asking one question. Okay, so this task, is there anyone else in my team who can do? Even 50-60% like me, it's enough. That's where our job lies, in coaching them and guiding them. Okay, 60% if they are able to follow as per your protocol, it's very good. We can always train them. So so all you need is just start delegating the task to your team members. If you don't have employees, outsource it. Give it to freelancers or virtual assistants. So all you have to do is very simple. Whenever you have a project in hand, instead of asking the question, how can I do it? We need to ask the question, who can do it in our team? Don't ask the question, how. If you really want to double your business, ask the question, who can do this particular project or task in my team, and completely delegate it. How do you delegate? Actually, there is a separate video I've shared. You can just see the link on the screen at the top and click that. I've actually shared 5 simple steps of how to delegate to your team members so that they can complete the task with complete success. So the only way is continuously you have to think. If you think about your business, you will grow your business. The doing must be done by our team members. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a very, very easier way to grow business. Why? Because thinkers make more money than the doers. If you are a small and medium business owner or a self-employed professional, it's time for us to free our time by delegating the task to our team members, coach them and guide them and recognize them and appreciate them so that you have more time to think how can you expand your business, not only just double, maybe 3 times, maybe 10 times also. I hope this video was useful for you on how you can double your business and your revenue. And in continuously I'll be sharing a lot of business related, leadership related videos in my channel. So if you are a small and medium entrepreneur or a professional and you would love to receive these interesting lessons, you can just subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon notification so that you will always get notified. And if you love these videos, please do share these videos in one of the networking groups or a WhatsApp groups where you're part of, so that they can also get benefited. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.